In this video, I will be demonstrating how to install Android Studio on a Windows machine. The installation will take about 2.5 gigs of space and take 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Go to the Android Studio webpage and download the installer. This will install basic components of the IDE, but additional components will be downloaded after installation. Once the installer has downloaded, double-click it to start the installation. Ensure that the Android virtual device is selected. Feel free to accept the defaults or change them as you see fit. When the installer has finished, it will launch Android Studio. You can now safely delete the installer. For our purposes, we will use the custom installation option. On this screen, choose your preferred theme, either light or dark. On this screen, make sure you select the option for the Android virtual device. Ideally, you should develop and test on an actual Android device, but this virtual one can be useful too. Let's use the recommended amount of RAM for the emulator. There's no need to change this value. Here, you'll see that the download size is an additional 1.8 gigs. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a while. Although the progress bar might seem to freeze, the program is still downloading in the background. If you are unsure, you can bring up the Task Manager to see your network usage. I've sped up this portion of the video, so your download will probably take longer than is shown here. Towards the end of the download, you might need to confirm installation of an additional driver. Once complete, click Finish. Android Studio is installed and ready to use.